Let's take this time to light the fire, fill the air with cheer. Wearing these ugly sweaters that we got from Grandma last year. I call dibs on turkey, and I prefer the ham.
And if you are a vegan, grab potatoes while you can.
'Cause it's a very monkey Christmas, whatever that means to you. Surrounded by friends and family who love you through and through. Yeah, Duncan's in the kitchen, and Caro's got the tunes.
Dane is on the floor now,
Getting high on nitrous fumes. Tim is packing stockings, and Dan knows how to dance. Will ate all the turkey, and I think he shit his pants. Matt is in his PJs. Connor looks comfy too. Meg is violently intoxicated,
chasing neighbors with a shoe.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry...
'Cause it's a very monkey Christmas,
whatever that means to you. Surrounded by friends and family who love you through and through.
'cause it's a very
Monkey Christmas, whatever that means to you. Surrounded by friends and family who love you through and through.
Those crazy monkeys think they can have a good Christmas? I'll show them.
the snow outside is falling down.
like a winter wonderland.
But I don't mind the cold if I've got cocoa in my hand.
Where there's 8 below, no escaping snow. Our only chance is to eat our friends, and that's not how I'm gonna go. 'Cause it's a very monkey Christmas. Which one of you's ready to die?
Stop. Just stop. 'Cause it's a very monkey Christmas,
Whatever that means to you. Surrounded by friends and family who love you through and through.
Christmas to all and to